Your first week on Freecash is usually spent learning which offers track correctly, which activities match your device, and how the platform's reward system works. By the end of this, you'll know what to expect during your first week, how to avoid common mistakes, and how to build good habits from the beginning. The first thing you'll notice is that available offers depend on your country, device, and advertiser eligibility. 2 new users can open Freecash at the same time and see completely different offers. That means comparing your account to someone else's isn't always useful. Start with smaller offers before attempting longer campaigns. Completing a few simple tasks helps you confirm that offer tracking is working properly on your account before investing time in larger activities. As you become familiar with the platform, you can move on to offers that require more time or multiple milestones. Read every requirement before you begin. Some offers only reward first-time users, while others require you to install an app through the Freecash link and complete specific actions in the correct order. Skipping even one instruction can prevent the reward from tracking. Keep screenshots of important milestones. If an offer doesn't credit correctly, having proof of completion makes it easier to explain the situation if you need to contact support. You'll also see surveys, mobile games, and partner offers appear throughout your dashboard. Instead of trying every opportunity, focus on the offers that match your device and the amount of time you're willing to spend. That usually leads to a better experience than jumping between multiple unfinished tasks. During your first week, avoid creating another account or switching between different accounts. Freecash expects 1 account per user, and keeping your activity consistent helps avoid unnecessary security reviews. If you decide to request a withdrawal after earning rewards, double-check your payout details before confirming the request. Using accurate account information helps prevent delays during the payment process. Don't expect every reward to appear instantly. Some offers may require additional confirmation before they're credited, depending on the advertiser's tracking process. Checking your activity history regularly helps you confirm whether rewards are progressing as expected. The goal during your first week isn't to complete every available offer. The goal is to learn which types of offers work best for you while building a consistent record of properly completed tasks. To sum it up, start with smaller offers. Follow every instruction exactly. Keep screenshots of your progress, and stay with 1 account. Next, choose 1 offer you can realistically complete from start to finish instead of beginning several at the same time. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Freecash tips, comparisons, and troubleshooting guides.